CVM consolidating. This is bullish so far. This has to stay up above 3924 here. What I'm going on, everybody, is these two bodies. See these bodies? And right here, this is so far support. If it breaks that, I don't want nothing. Boom. I don't want nothing to do with it. Right? See it? Now what I'm doing is now I'm looking for a buy order. Here we go. This touched 373 with support. Right here. I'm going to do a small entry here. See if we can get a bounce. If it doesn't, I'm going to get out immediately. If we get a bounce right here, come on. I'm barely making money. It's like $5-10 at a time. Boom, I'll take that though. Sold it at 30. Let me see what I got out of it. 1,000 shares off the bounce of 373. Let me flip my screen. It was tiny, but that's because it was sitting here. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, I made 15 whole dollars on that trade. This was the buy. This was the sell. See it? Just like that. That was nice. And now look at it. It keeps pushing up here. That was this 373. This is where I picked it up. Bounced. Boom. And it went all the way up to 417, which is its high of day area. See it? So this is resistance. And this is support. This is where we live.
Tesla, it's having a pullback. Are you waiting for it to break the high before you would get in again, or?
Oh, are you just scalping it?
The only trade I took today.
Oh, I got you. I mean, Tesla's had, you had the entries here, 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 and now you'd have to wait for around 247 for the next entry. See it? 247. Otherwise, you were just waiting for a break a high at 250, and then you can hammer it to the upside with a stop short. Ted, yeah, you could scalp on VWAP, but the problem with it right here is it's a 199.20 to a 199.53 cent move. You're right. So it's a 30-cent move. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So that's the only unfortunate thing is you have this. This is the range, but your risk it's so tight that I literally, if I was sitting on Apple waiting for this move, I'd wait for this break of 199.53 to the up, or down here on this triple bottom, wait for it to collapse. That would be the move for me if I was going to scalp Apple. It's just not enough. There's just not enough meat on the bones there at 20 cents.